discarded jewelry, electronic waste, the world's hidden gold.
Its rebirth begins in the Crucible. And is perfected through precise chemistry.
This is the journey from scrap. Let's start the video. Feeding the scrap into the crucible is a crucial step in the refining process. Deep within the industry sphere, the liquid metal surrenders its heat, shifting from incandescent orange to dull metallic brown.
This process, known as cupellation, uses extreme heat to separate the noble metals from the base elements, resulting in a shining metal bead.
The precise mixture of nitric and hydrochloric acids is critical for the dissolution of the raw materials.
Here in the industry sphere reactor, we see the careful combination of nitric hydride, a delicate process requiring extreme precision.
Here we observe the rapid precipitation of silver chloride. The white flakes form quickly, creating a dense suspension before slowly beginning to settle.
In the industry sphere facility, the emerald pregnant solution is filtered, moving us one step closer to isolating the target minerals.
photorealistic 4K footage reveals the intricate structure of the sodium metabisulfite crystals as they are agitated within the industry sphere mixer.
In this industry sphere process, we begin the slow addition of SMB directly into the pregnant solution, initiating the crystallization.
The crystallization process begins as the liquid reaches critical saturation, rapidly forming complex metallic structures.
Gravity takes hold. The heavy elements sink, isolating the precious metal from the waste material in a process known as thickening.
The ammonia wash actively targets the residual salts. As the mixture churns, the intense chemical reaction.
The intense heat initiates a chemical exchange within the residue. As the oxidation occurs, the material visibly darkens and stabilizes. The process generates significant waste. This green-brown acid solution represents a major environmental challenge for the industry sphere.
Platinum sponge, seen here in extreme macro, reveals a complex porous structure critical for catalysis.
The introduction of sodium chlorate to the remaining solution triggers immediate and vigorous effervescence.
Through pyrometallurgical processing, the intense heat causes the crystals to decompose, yielding a highly porous structure of pure palladium sponge.
Extracted through intense heat, these palladium sponge granules form the backbone of the industry sphere.
Within the industry sphere, specialized steel alloys hold dried gold powder, essential for high-temperature catalytic processes.
In this industry sphere grain casting technique, the molten gold must pass through the sieve and rapidly cool in water to form uniform pellets.
The freshly cast grains are collected underwater. The intense steaming shows the heat as they begin to dry.
Here at Industry Sphere, the molten gold is poured into the graphite mold, beginning the critical bar casting process.
The industry sphere hydraulic press applies thousands of tons of pressure, shaping the raw gold into a standardized bar.
Under the searing heat, the official hallmark is imprinted, guaranteeing the ingot's weight and 99.99% purity.
The refining process ensures a purity of 9999.9 fine gold.
Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, Industry Sphere refines raw platinum and palladium into this porous sponge structure. Ensuring sustainability means carefully managing every byproduct. Here, neutralized salt water flows through our advanced waste treatment system. At Industry Sphere, every drum of hazardous material is meticulously labeled according to strict regulations.
This is the Industry Sphere process, revealing the intrinsic strength of the gold crystal lattice at a macro level.
Gold, the ultimate store of value, refined to its purest form.
Meticulously crafted, each engraving signifies unparalleled purity, a hallmark of the Industry Sphere standard.
Precision engineered, the Industry Sphere gold standard represents the pinnacle of quality.
In the Industry Sphere, raw materials are transformed into enduring value.